Well, hello, my lovelies. So, quick journal with me today. We're going to look at a bit of self-discovery. As always, these videos kind of have that general theme. In a different little setup today. Oh, I've just noticed my candle's gone out. Oh no, it hasn't gone out, it's still alight. In a bit of a different setup because I've been filming some other things. So I thought I would just film this in this setup because it's already ready to go. So, as with these ones, we're going to get straight into it. And we're going to start with, who am I? Who am I? And what I just want to kind of add here is I want you to refrain from using labels if you can. So what I mean by a label is, you know, I am a mother, a daughter, a wife, a IT professional, a sales assistant, whatever. Try to refrain from using labels, and I want you to describe yourself in a different way. So see how you find that, right? So we're going to go for 3 minutes on this one. Okay, and this next one might sound morbid, but it's a really interesting way to write about yourself. So the question is, what do I want to be remembered for? What do I want to be remembered for? And we'll go for 3 minutes.
Feet up on the dash and the calling open road. Road trip classics on the radio. With your hand tied in mine, there's no such thing as time. Now we can go anywhere you wanna go. Ooh, there's no place we can't go. Ooh, my home is when I'm alone with you. With you. Sunlight fades away and you fall into my arms. This life is not the same when we're apart. If you follow me tonight, I'll walk with you for life, and we can go anywhere you wanna go. Ooh, there's no place we can't go. Ooh, my home is when I'm alone with you. With you. With you. With you.
Okay, and the final prompt is, what changes do I need to make in my life? What changes do I need to make in my life? Oh, we're going to go for 3 minutes. Okay, my lovelies, that is your 3 prompts for today's quick journal with me. Just before I go, I just want to mention really quickly that the doors to the True Self Society, my women's community membership, are opening for the second round of enrolment on the 7th of November. So we opened the doors back in June for the first ever enrolment, and they only open twice a year. So they open in June and November. So if you don't join this time, then they won't open again until June next year. Now, just to really give you a really quick overview of what it is, it's a community membership for women, for like-minded women who are on a personal development self-discovery journey, who just want to connect with other women who understand more about kind of getting deeper and understanding life and just exploring what life is all about. And we have monthly topics, monthly themes, we have monthly calls, we have monthly community coaching calls. We have workshops, masterclasses, workbooks, weekly prompts, exercises, just so much goodness all in one space. We have a community space which is not on social media, it's hosted on Mighty Networks, and it's just absolutely wonderful. And the women who are already in there are absolutely fantastic, and I cannot wait to welcome some more absolutely wonderful human beings, maybe like you. So I will add the link down in the description box, and if you want to read a bit more about what it's all about, you can do so there. The doors will be open from the 7th of November to, I think it's the 28th of November. They're open for about 3 weeks, and then they will close until June next year. But I'll leave the link down below. You can check that out, and I will see you again soon.